Let me guess. You have a big idea. A new business. A gym goal. A master plan to change your entire life. The energy is buzzing in your veins. You feel unstoppable. And what is the first thing you did? You told someone. You told your friend over drinks. You posted a cryptic story on Instagram. You told your mom. You felt good, didn't you? They said, "Wow, that's amazing," or "Good luck, bro." You got that warm, fuzzy feeling in your chest. You felt like a winner. You idiot. You didn't just share your goal, you killed it. By opening your mouth, you sabotaged your own success before you even started. The world is full of people who talk. The world is full of gonna be's. I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. They never do anything. They just talk until the energy dies. Welcome to MindBlack. Today, we are going to learn the hardest skill in the modern world, the art of shutting up. This is ghost mode. Let's look at the hardware inside your skull. Why does telling people your goals make you fail? It is a glitch in your brain called premature validation. Your brain is easily tricked. It cannot tell the difference between talking about doing something and actually doing it. When you announce, "I am going to start a millionaire business," your brain releases dopamine. It gives you the reward without the work. Your brain thinks, "Mission accomplished. We are successful." It creates a social reality. In your mind, you are already the guy who goes to the gym. You are already the entrepreneur. So, when it's time to actually sit down and do the boring, painful, hard work, you have no drive left. You already spent the fuel seeking applause. You let the pressure leak out. Think of a steam engine. If you open all the valves, the steam escapes into the air and the train doesn't move. It just makes a loud noise. But if you keep the valves closed, the pressure builds. The heat builds. And that compressed energy is what drives the engine forward. Anger, frustration, ambition. You need to keep that inside. Don't let it out in a conversation. Let it out in your execution. Let's move beyond psychology. Let's talk about strategy. Sun Tzu, the greatest military strategist in history, wrote in The Art of War, "Let your plans be dark and impenetrable as night, and when you move, fall like a thunderbolt." Life is competition. Whether you like it or not, you are competing for resources, for money, for status. When you tell people your plans, you are showing your cards to the enemy. You are giving them the blueprint to destroy you. Even if they are your friends, subconscious jealousy makes them competitors. If you tell people, "I am launching this product next month," you give them time to copy you. You give them time to discourage you. But if you stay silent, you have the tactical advantage. You become unpredictable. The most dangerous person in the room is the one who listens and says nothing. Because nobody knows what he is thinking. Nobody knows his next move. Be that person. Be the dark horse. Don't let them see you coming until it is too late. There is a concept in physics called conservation of energy. You only have a finite amount of energy each day, a limited battery. Every word you speak costs energy. Every time you try to convince someone that your idea is good, you are burning fuel. When you argue with a skeptic or try to explain your vision to someone who doesn't understand, you are wasting your ammunition on the wrong target. Stop trying to convince people. Stop trying to prove yourself with words. Use that anger, use that energy to build. Instead of spending 30 minutes explaining your workout routine to a friend, spend 30 minutes lifting weights. Instead of talking about your business idea, build the website. Turn your words into bricks. Silence is not empty. Silence is full of potential energy. Now, let's talk about the evil eye. We like to think everyone wants us to succeed. That is a lie. Psychologically, people want you to do well, but not better than them. When you announce a huge goal, you trigger their insecurity. You hold up a mirror to their failures. Subconsciously, they start to pray for your downfall. They will say things like, "Are you sure that's safe?" Or, "Maybe you should be realistic." They call it concern. I call it sabotage. They are planting seeds of doubt in your mind because they are terrified you might actually leave them behind. This is the crabs in a bucket mentality. If one crab tries to escape the bucket, the other crabs will pull it back down. By telling them your plans, you are handing them the rope to pull you back. Don't give them the weapon. Protect your dreams. They are fragile. If you expose them to the toxic air of other people's opinions, they will die. So how do you operate in ghost mode when people keep asking questions? You use the gray rock method. When people ask, "What are you up to these days?" you become as boring as a gray rock. You say, "Oh, just working. Same old stuff." Be vague. Be uninteresting. Let them think you are boring. Let them think you are losing. While they are sleeping, you are building. Then, one day, you re-emerge. With the results, with the physique, with the money. You don't need to say a word. The results scream for you. So, here is your mission. Pick one major goal, the big one. And for the next 30 days, take a silent oath. Do not say a word about it. If you feel the urge to talk, stop. Swallow it. Feel that burn in your chest. That burn is energy. Use it. Let your success be the noise. Let them be confused. This is MindBlack. If you can keep a secret, subscribe. Now, close your mouth and get to work.